In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find blocked people on Facebook. If you ever need to review the accounts you've blocked, Facebook makes that possible through the settings menu. This is useful if you want to check who is currently blocked, confirm a past action, or manage those blocked accounts in one place. I'll walk you through the process clearly so it's easy to follow. First, go to Facebook and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Once you're on the main Facebook page, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile picture. This opens the main account menu where Facebook keeps several important options related to your profile and account controls. From that menu, select Settings and Privacy and then click Settings. This takes you to the main settings area where Facebook organizes different parts of your account, including privacy, security, and profile-related options. If your layout looks slightly different, don't worry. Facebook sometimes updates the design, but the options are usually named very similarly. Next, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and select Privacy. Inside the privacy-related settings, click Blocking. This is the section where Facebook stores your blocked accounts and other blocking tools. It's essentially the control center for managing who you've blocked and what restrictions are currently active on your account. Once you're in the blocking section, find the area labeled Block Users and click Edit. This will open or expand your blocked list so you can see the people or accounts you've blocked on Facebook. If you're trying to review that list carefully, take a moment here to scroll through it and make sure you're looking at the correct section, since Facebook may show several different types of restrictions in nearby settings. You can also use the activity log under settings if you want another way to manage account activity and review connections, including blocked accounts. This can be helpful if you're trying to understand past actions or track changes you've made over time. Depending on your account version, Activity Log may give you extra context beyond the standard blocked list. And that's it. To find blocked people on Facebook, open your profile menu, go to Settings and Privacy, select Settings, choose Privacy, click Blocking, and then open the Block Users section by selecting Edit. It's a quick process once you know where to look, and it's a good setting to remember anytime you need more control over your Facebook account.